Welcome to Macronutrients for Kids, how to easily get your kids to eat healthier with macronutrients. My name is Alicia Jones, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips for easily getting your kids to eat healthier with macronutrients. Very simple approach, very family friendly. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to know your macros like the back of your hand, okay? And then I would recommend that you make a list of the kinds your family likes. Something like this, right? Just have a list around so that you can not only throw together a balanced snack or meal for your family, but also make substitutions and swaps as you're finding out which ones your family likes the best. So that's how come I recommend a paper list. You can keep it in your pantry for easy reference, tear it out, pin it on your fridge. Sometimes I even show this to my kids and let them pick. That's always fun, right? Tip 2, create an environment for success by offering less junk food and more nutritious options for your kids when they're hungry. Do this by stocking your fridge with things like lean proteins with some healthy fat, complex carbohydrates, nutritious snacks that will prevent that thickening that happens around the middle of kids' bodies. It comes from when there's too many empty calories from the junk food that they just can't burn up in time for energy, and it ends up being stored in fat cells. That's what happens with that. Tip number 3, make hidden veggie and protein versions of everyday comfort food like cookies, brownies, pancakes, lasagna, muffins, these are the cookies, garlic cheese rolls. Okay, this way your kids will not complain about eating their veggies. They will tell you you're the best mom in the world, and you, my friend, will have peace of mind that they are getting all the nutrition that they need every day. I pulled this out to show you from my fridge. I personally have been using what I shared with you today with my own 2 boys for the last 6 years, and they have definitely learned how to eat healthier. So if you would like some help applying these tips to your own family, please download my done for you macronutrient balanced snack list by going to the website link in the description of this video right now. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.